It's time for a daily dose of victory, even if it's just a minute with the pastor.
Hey, I'm Pastor Tony Smith, the pastor of Victorious Ministry. We've been talking about how to be stress-free, and we've been talking about finances. We've been talking about family. We've been talking about community and all these things. But I come to tell you the way I begin to get stress-free from the responsibilities and the things in my life that overwhelm me, friends and work and all that, is that I established a relationship with God. I'm encouraging you today that one of the tools to become a stress-free person is to establish not going to church, but just having a relationship with God. Because when you can't talk to nobody else, you can talk to God. And one thing about God, even though He does not speak much or does not respond quickly as you do, He will respond, and His response will be peace, righteousness, joy in the Holy Ghost. I come to encourage you today that to get set free from stress is to get a relationship with God. Have a dialogue with a God that knows everything about you, and He will see you through every obstacle. You say, Pastor, that's that religious talk. You can call it what you want, but I'm going to tell you what it does for me. It works. Because when my heart is overwhelmed, when things are coming to me that has become so overwhelming because of my responsibility as a pastor, my responsibility as a father, my responsibility as a son, and sometimes life gets overwhelming in my life, and I know without a question of a doubt that when I go to God in prayer, when I go to God in worship, when I go to God in praise, I get such a peace of God that passes all understanding. Do all my problems get solved? No, all my problems don't get solved, but my peace gets renewed. My peace gets strong. And guess what? My vision get clear. Get with God. Bye-bye.
Have a blessed day.